In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SEO tags on HubSpot CMS pages in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to the HubSpot platform or looking to optimize your blog posts for better visibility on search engines, these steps will guide you through the process with ease and clarity. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the familiar layout of HubSpot's comprehensive marketing, sales, and service tools. Among these tools is the all-important login button. Click on login at the top right corner of the home page. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your hub for navigating all the various features HubSpot offers. Next, locate the content option on the top navigation bar and click on it. By doing so, you'll be directed to the content management section, which is where your blog posts are housed. Once you're in the content management section, the next thing you'll want to do is click on blog. The blog section is where you manage all the blog posts you have created or are planning to launch. Now that you're in the blog section, look for the specific blog post you wish to optimize with SEO tags. Click on the blog of your choice from the list presented. With the blog post selected, it's time to head into settings. Once you click on settings, you'll be shown various options that are customizable for your blog post. Among these, you'll find the tags section. Click on tags to access the area where you can add or manage your SEO tags. Tags are pivotal in determining how search engines understand and rank your content, so it's essential to select keywords that are not only relevant to the content, but also popular in search queries related to your topic. Once you're in the tags section, you can either choose from pre-existing tags or create new ones that align with your blog SEO strategy. Enter compelling and relevant tags that best describe the essence of your blog. It's worth noting to always double check the tags for any typos or inconsistencies before saving, as this small step can make a significant impact on your blog post's visibility. These tags should resonate with the themes and topics of your content as they encompass the intentional, thoughtful description of your blog's purpose. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively add SEO tags to your HubSpot CMS pages, enhancing your blog's potential to reach a wider audience through improved search engine visibility. With these skills in your toolkit, you're now ready to optimize your content for search engines and engage more effectively with your audience.